So, good morning. Chemistry second year English medium. Our unit is a D and F black elements and coordination compounds. Our topic is metal carbonyls. Yes, what is meant by metal carbonyls? Metal carbonyls are coordination compounds which are having the carbon monoxide molecules act as ligands. Only the carbon monoxide molecules act as ligands in coordination compounds. Those are called as a metal carbonyls. Okay, so let's see the examples for metal carbonyls. There is a very simple example is a tetracarbonyl nickel. Tetracarbonyl nickel. Then so in this is a 4 carbon monoxide molecules act as there is a ligands. Then its geometry is a tetrahedral. Then next one is pentacarbonyl iron. Then again here is what is a iron. Iron is surrounded with 5 carbon monoxide molecules. Then is the iron oxidation state is 0. Then in tetracarbonyl nickel is a nickel oxidation state is also 0. Tetracarbonyl nickel 0. Pentacarbonyl iron 0. Then yes, here is what then another one is hexacarbonyl chromium 0. Then its geometry is octahedral. Then next one, another one is what then Mn2CO taken 10. Mn2CO taken 10. Then yes, in this coordination compounds the 2 central metal ions. 2 central metal atoms are existed. And yes, here is a decacarbonyl decacarbonyl dimanganese 0. Decacarbonyl dimanganese. Then so in this there is what 2 metal atoms. Here is what in this complex metal bond. Metal bond. Then next one metal carbonyl bonds are is a 2 types of bonds are existed here. Then is a in this complex it is a 2 square pyramidal. 2 square pyramidal is a MnCO taken 5. MnCO pentacarbonyl manganese 2 square pyramidal units are joined by metal bond. Here is a manganese. It is considered as here is a metal bond. So the here is a manganese is connected with the 5 carbon monoxide molecules. Then its of geometry is a 2 square pyramidal. 2 square pyramidal units are joined by metal bond, that is manganese and manganese. Then next one, another one is again it is a CO2 taken 8. CO2 taken 8, that is octacarbonyl dicobalt. Then so in this here is a 2 carbon monoxide molecules. 2 carbon monoxide molecules act as bridging ligands. They can combine there is a 2 metal atoms. Okay. Then so 2 carbonyl groups act as a bridging units or bridging ligands. They can combine the 2 metal atoms. That's why here is a structures of metal carbonyls. Then bonding behavior. What type of bonding is existed in metal carbonyls? Let's see. Then so in metal carbonyls here is what the bonding behavior is the sigma as well as here is pi bonding. Sigma and pi bonding is in general existed. Then yes, how can you explain the sigma and the pi bonding is? Then yes, here is what nickel, iron, chromium, manganese, cobalt. Yes, these are the central metal atoms. Then which are having the empty orbitals, which are having half filled, which are having partially filled d orbitals. Yes, these vacant d orbitals of metal atoms overlaps with the here is what then here is a carbon monoxide is a carbon monoxide, here is a lone pair of, when is a lone pair of electrons over, here is a carbon, then so these electrons are donated to the vacant orbital of metal atom. As a result of that, there is a sigma bond is formed, sigma bond. Then the vacant orbital of metal overlaps with the, here is a ligand orbital. As a result of that, sigma bond is formed, sigma bond. Then next one, here is a how the pi bond is existed is, then again here is a from the electrons, here is a filled orbitals of a central metal atom is a, those electrons are donated to the carbon monoxide anti-bonding pi star molecular orbital, then is a from this first is a carbon monoxide to here is a metal, carbon monoxide to metal, here is what a sigma bond is formed, sigma bond. Then after that, yes, after formation of sigma bond, the metal is having the is a filled orbitals. These filled orbital, from the filled orbital, electrons are donated to the pi star molecular orbital of the carbon monoxide. As a result of that, there is a pi bond is formed. So this is a back donating bond. So back donating bond is formed from the metal to ligand. So this is also called as, here is a synergic bond. Here is a synergic effect. Then so because of this synergic effect, then here is a metal ligand bond can be more strengthened. Okay, then in metal carbonyls, the bonding behavior is sigma and pi bonds. Then the sigma bond is formed from ligand to metal, sigma bond, because then ligand donates the electron pair to the metal, then sigma bond is formed. Yes, after formation of sigma bond, the metal donates the electrons to the vacant molecular orbital of, here is a carbon monoxide. As a result of that, here is a pi bonding is formed. This is also called as back bonding or synergic bonding. So because of the synergic bonding, then ligand metal bond is more strengthened. So this is about structure. Here is a metal carbonyls, structures of metal carbonyls, then bonding behavior in the metal carbonyls. So stability of coordination compounds. The stability of coordination compounds in solution refers to the degree of association between the two species involved in the state of equilibrium. Okay, the stability of coordination compounds is depend upon the degree of association of two species at equilibrium state. Okay, then is a how much of species central metal ion and ligands are involved in the reaction at equilibrium state, that decides the stability of coordination compounds. Then suppose is you consider the reaction, here is a metal ion and 4 ligands, they are monodentate ligands here. Then yes, here is it can form the is a 4 coordinated complex. Then yes, the stability of this 4 coordinated complex is depend upon, here is a stability constant, that is what the stability constant, here is a larger the stability constant, higher the proportion of Ml4 in solution state. Okay, the stability constant is more, then its concentration Ml4, here is a Tetra coordinated, 4 coordinated is a 4 coordinated complex concentration in solution is more. Then so this concentration formation Ml4 formation is depend upon the stability constant. Then yes, the formation of a 4 coordinated complex can be written as, here is what like this, here is a stepwise stability constant, here is a stepwise stability constant, that is here is a how many phases this can be formed by 4 steps. Then here is a metal and a ligand, then here is a equilibrium Ml, here is a metal ligand bond is formed. Then again this metal ligand again involved in the reaction with one more ligand, then Ml2, here is a Ml2 complex is formed. Then again this Ml2 involved in the reaction with the ligand, then here is a Ml3. Then here is a Ml3, it is involved in the reaction with here is what another ligand, then Ml4, that is this 4 coordinated complex is formed as, here is a stepwise manner. Okay, yes, these stepwise manner can be represented as, here is what K1, K2, K3, K4. So these are stepwise stability constants. Stepwise stability constant. Then yes, how can you write, here is a K1 stability constant for first step is K1 equal to, according to law of mass action, then the concentration of a product by the concentration of a reactants, then Ml by the, here is a M into L. Then for second step, then here is a K2 stepwise stability constant, K2 can be written as, here is again is according to law of mass action, then product concentration by reactants concentration, then Ml2 by Ml into, here is a L. Then here is a K3 equal to is a concentration of Ml3 by concentration of Ml2 and L. It's a K4. Then again here is a concentration of Ml4 by then concentration of Ml3 and into L. So these are the K1, K2, K3 are the stepwise stability constants. Then yes, here is alternatively we can write the overall stability constant. Overall stability constant. How overall stability constant? Simply here is what then they can be combined. Then here is simply, here is a metal with is a 4 ligands. Here is a Ml4 is formed. Then yes, metal plus 4 ligands, there is a Ml4 is formed. Then yes, here is a overall stability constant can be represented as, here is a beta. Okay, then is a how many steps are involved in this? Here is a complex formation, here is a 4 steps are there. Then is a beta 4 equal to Ml4 by, yes, here is a metal concentration into, yes, here is a ligand concentration. This a ligand concentration, here is a 4 moles are taken. This a 4 moles, here is a, so this is the, yes, here is a power. Then here is a concentration of ligand to the power of 4. Then because 4 represents the, here is a number of moles. Then yes, this is about overall stability constant. Yes, when you observe this reaction at equilibrium state, the forward reaction reveals the formation of metal complex or coordination compound formation. Then the backward reaction represents the dissociation of the coordination compound. Then forward reaction reveals the, or forward reaction represents the formation of coordination compound. The backward reaction represents the dissociation of coordination compound. Then yes, how can you write this always the forward reaction represents the, here is what stability constant. stability constant. Then the backward reaction represents the dissociation of a compound, then dissociation of coordination compound. Then so this is represents the backward reaction represents the, it is a dissociation constant. How can you define the dissociation constant? Is the reciprocal of association constant, the reciprocal of association constant, or the reciprocal of, here is a formation constant, or the reciprocal of stability constant is called dissociation constant. Yes, a dissociation constant can be written as, here is a like this, here is a 1 by beta. 1 by beta, this is called as a dissociation constant. Then so this is for the stability of coordination compounds.